Welcome to Level Lounge. I'm Donald Williams. In this segment, we're going to be showing you the all-new Revive and Thrive. Revive and Thrive is one of those products that you're going to want to have in your arsenal there when you're detailing or cleaning your car. It's going to get your plastics, your rubbers, your trims right back to that brand new look. Go ahead and check this out and see how easy it is, and I know you're going to like it. Now look how easy it quickly removes the bugs, removes all that tarnish, gets that black plastic looking wonderful. And then on the top of it, just like everything we do, silicone free, also protecting it. Look how easy this is. Now a great combination if there's those heavy bug guts that have been splattered on there or some of the stuff that's on it. Using Revive and Thrive with our clean mitt here, we'll be able to take out with no problem whatsoever. The Revive and Thrive is great for all types of trim care. You got the porous kind of textured plastic, or even on here, it's smooth texture and plastics. You can see here we got this truck. It was brand new back in June, early June, late May. We did a protection on this. You can see the clear difference that it's lasted all the way through September. You can hear it here. And it's a very simple product to apply. You're just gonna take and spray it directly on, or some people will want to spray it onto their pad. Now with the textured plastic, you'll want to get one of our special pads here. It's got a special fiber on here that's gonna help get into the grooves or the textured material. Just do a quick scrub down. And not only is it going to apply the protective coating, but it will clean the material. And now this is a silicone-free based product. Polymers that are in there that help bond to your plastic. It's easy on, easy off. You can see how nice and clean and back to black this thing looks. Use this special brush to get some of these harder to reach areas out. There you go. Revive and Thrive. Everything you need for your plastic trim protection.